Are you a busy mom looking for a project to keep those little hands busy this summer? Or are you a teacher trying to find those last minute projects to kind of segue into summer vacation? I've got you covered. Let's go make a mini coloring book. I'll be showing you how to put together the mini summer coloring book. So you get 2 pages that are PDF. Here are the instructions for how to put it together, and then this is the book itself. Now it might look kind of weird before you start to fold and put things together, but this is the book page. Okay, so once you have it folded, it's printed, and you have it all put together, it's like a little mini coloring book. So how do you begin? So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to fold it the long way. We're going to fold it the long way. I do have lines there for you to follow. And we're just going to fold it in half the long way. Also known as the hot dog way when I was teaching elementary school. So we fold it the long way, and then we unfold it, and then we fold it again the short way, which is the hamburger way. Okay. So we have it folded this way. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to fold it. Whoops, we're going to fold it. We're going to fold all 4s. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this part in half. Okay, so here's the back of our book. Here's the front of our book. Now, if I just open it up, I'm not going to have a book quite yet. I will though, just a minute. So what I'm going to do is right between these 2 pages, I'm going to take a scissors and I'm going to cut it from the fold. So here's the not folded side, here's the folded side, and I'm going to cut right on my line, but I'm only going to cut to the center. I'm not going to cut all the way across. Okay, so I have it just to the center. Okay, so now when I fold it back this way, I'm going to open this up like this so that these pages come together. And I'm going to fold it so that my cover is on the front, my little code, and this is on the back. And then when I open it up, I have page 1, page 2, page 3. And then I can go ahead and I can start coloring it and having fun with it. So there you go. That's how you put together the mini Hello Summer coloring book.